Good morning, dear students. Myself, Seema, lecturer, Department of Commerce from BVVS Akkamahadevi Women's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bagalkot. Now let's get started. Today I would like to discuss about one of the topic under Business Communication Skills subject for BCom second semester students of Akkamahadevi Women's University, Vijaypur. And the topic is concentration. And here the meaning of concentration is that the concentration is the ability to give all your attention to one particular activity, subject or problem. The concentration is an important quality necessary for success. Lack of concentration is sometimes a cause for failure, and the concentration is one of the important topic under study skills. And students, the concentration is nothing but your attention towards a particular activity, subject and problem, and the concentration is an important quality necessary for success. And here the lack of concentration is sometimes a cause for failure, and because the concentration will play a very important role in case of our study skills. And through concentration we are getting the different benefits, and the benefits are like to have a strong memory and to focus on messages and to earn inner strength and to become a knowledgeable person, to develop the ability of quick decision making capacity and to have a strong willpower and to accomplish the task effectively and efficiently, and to boost the ability of fixing the schedules and to avoid negative thoughts in our mind, to receive inspiration in work and thinking, and to have a great ability of problem solving, and also it facilitate to help understand deeply something. And through concentration we have to getting a lot of advantages. And here it is one of the important topics, students, and that topic is how to boost concentration. And under concentration, and it is one of the most important, and that is uh, through the following we have to boost our concentration. And the first one, the make notes or chits. That it means that many times it happens that we may be trying to concentrate, but other worries interrupt and disturb, and because of that it is better to make a list of works to be finished, write them on a piece of paper, and this ensures no missing of any of the task and help to concentrate on the work at hand, and through this we have to get success. And the next one is do calculations. It means that a better way for concentration is to do calculations in your mind, and because figures will make you concentrate on calculations, other worries will not disturb. And go through next one, and that is focus on single task, and it is very important, students, and it means that it is best to avoid too many works at a time. Too many ideas distract the mind and the concentration is lost, and because of that always focusing on one task at a time and helps concentration for long time. And this is very important point. And go through next one, and that is backward counting, very important. And for increased concentration, it means in order to boost or in order to increase our concentration, try counting the numbers backward. For example, from 100 to 1. This is not simple but boost concentration. It is very much necessary in order to count the numbers in a backward, and through this we have to increasing our concentration. And go through next one, backward spelling. And through One more way for boosting concentration is to spell the words in backward style. For example, the word is ONE1 and the backward spell is ENO. Through this, we have to boost our concentration. This cannot happen without much concentration. Through one of the through by given a proper attention, and it is possible in order to boost our concentration. And go through next one, recalling techniques, very important one. One can be sure of increasing concentration power by either recalling, for example calling back memory any of the picture or any shopping event or joy moment. By recalling our memories, we have to increasing our concentration. And through yoga practice, and it means that practicing some of yoga activities will boost our concentration. For example, practicing breathlessness leads to strong concentration and it trains the mind. And through a proper yoga, we have to increase our concentration. And go through next one, be calm. Very important one. We must not take everything serious to our mind and avoid hyper reactive to small matters. And here students, it is very important, and this point will play a very important role, that you have to always be a calm, and otherwise these will make loss concentration. Or through proper and go through the next one, a pause in between. It means that there are chances of losing concentration due to unbroken continuous work for a long time, and because even the machines also need a break and in between long hours of work, and otherwise they will also get stuck. And because of that, whenever we have to doing the work, in between we have to take a certain time as a one of the rest period. And it is better to give relief to body either by keeping silent or by walking, and through this we have to increasing our concentration. And go through the next point, that is to boost our concentration through a healthy foods, that is a consuming a healthy food. The providing body with healthy foods and edibles helps boost concentration powers. And it means that, for example, vegetables and fruits like apples, carrots and nuts will be healthy. Always keep noticing the symptoms of strain, stress, and these indicate nervousness, which will definitely affect your concentration. And because of that, students, you have to give or you have to consume proper food, and through that it will build your or it will boost your concentration. And it is an indication of providing body with fruits and vegetables and avoid junk foods. And through these we have to improving or we have to increasing or boosting our concentration. And dear students, thank you so much for your interest and attention. Thank you.